Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to customize the schematic theme in EasyEDA. When creating a schematic, adjusting the colors, fonts, and line style can make your circuit elements clear and easier to read, while also matching your personal design preference. That's why learning how to customize the theme is quite useful. The process is very simple. First, click the Setting button on the top menu bar. In the pop-up setting window, go to the left panel, find Expand the Schematic Symbol section. Then click the Theme option below it. On the right side, you'll see various adjustable parameters, such as background color, grid style, selection highlight, hover color, fonts, and line types. You can freely modify this setting based on your preference. Once everything looks good, click Apply, then Confirm, and your new theme will take effect immediately. By customizing the schematic theme, you can make your workspace more visually comfortable and greatly improve your drawing and viewing experience.